Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Maru Hub step by step. Start by defining your primary use case and prioritize features like ports, Wi-Fi standards, and power delivery. Compare sellers and warranties, and read recent user feedback for firmware and reliability notes. Prepare questions about return policies and firmware updates before purchase to avoid surprises and ensure the hub fits your setup and expectations. Begin by scanning trusted retailers and marketplaces for stock and current pricing, focusing on authorized dealers for warranty benefits. Read several recent reviews to detect firmware issues or recurring defects, and compare return policies and shipping timelines. If you use a specific port, like USB-C or Ethernet, confirm exact specifications before buying. Keep an eye out for bundle deals that include cables or adapters to save money on necessary extras. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: I recently used some leak-proof meal prep containers that made packing lunches much easier and less messy. Check the video description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a set. Thanks for supporting the channel, it really helps, and now let's get back to the video. Identify the hub model that matches your device ports, power delivery needs, and desired network features, such as gigabit Ethernet or multiple USB ports. Evaluate build quality, cooling, and form factor for your workspace, and choose models with known firmware update practices to extend longevity. Balance price against warranty and feature set, and avoid models missing essential specs, like sustained power delivery or necessary data lanes for your peripherals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.